Good morning. I'm making myself a matcha. This morning I am going to my friend Nikki's house, and today we're going to a farm. I think a camel farm, I think she said. It's like an early birthday gift to me because she is having a baby, and in June, when it is my actual birthday, she'll have a very small baby, so it'll be very impractical. So she's treating me to my birthday gift early. So we're going to breakfast first, and I'll have a coffee there, and I just feel like a matcha. Yesterday I made my own oat milk. I've been seeing online that it's really easy to make your own oat milk. So I gave it a go, and it is indeed easy. It tastes really good, and I'm gonna make my matcha with it. Here's the first taste. Oh yeah, it's good. It doesn't taste as creamy as store-bought oat milk. I think obviously because it doesn't have anything in it other than oats and water, whereas like the store-bought oat milk, I think a lot of them have oils to kind of give it a better texture, but the flavor is really, really nice. Goes really well with matcha. Oh, I really like that. Delish. This is a sheep's milk ice cream, and this top flavor is fig and ginger, and the bottom flavor is strawberry. It's got a higher fat content apparently, so it's very smooth, very, very smooth, but very delicious. So it is my sister's birthday today, and I'm just about to go out and do some grocery shopping because I'm having her and her partner Jordan over for dinner tonight. So I'm doing a little 3-course menu, Asian themed, and I kind of wrote up some menu ideas this morning. I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to do, but then I just basically completely changed it this morning. So we're doing like a green pawpaw salad with prawn crackers for entree, along with some oysters, and what else did I say I was going to do? some prawn toast with yuzu mayo entree. And then main, I was going to do a bowl of dan dan noodles, so individual portions for everyone. And then dessert is the one that I've kind of been chopping and changing my idea. And it really will depend on seasonality and whether or not I can get all of the ingredients. But basically what I want to do is like a really simple pineapple tart, individual pineapple tarts. I'm going to make like a star anise ginger syrup, and I'm going to put a slice of pineapple on a tray, have the ginger syrup on there as well so that it will caramelize, and then cover the whole thing with a like square or maybe circle of puff pastry, and then bake it in the oven. So it's really easy to make if it works. And then I'm going to serve it with some pandan ice cream and a sesame seed brittle, I think, to kind of give you that little crunchy element, which I think will be really nice. The pandan ice cream, I am cheating. So I'm getting some pandan essence and I'm going to mix it with softened vanilla ice cream. Hopefully that works. I really should have a backup option, but I'm just trusting the process. And so let's see if I can get all of these ingredients. I think pineapple is just out of season. I don't know what I'm going to make if I can't get pineapple. So let's see how I go. First place I'm going to go to is, I think I'm going to go to the Asian grocer, see if I can get green papaya. I'm nervous. It's all based on seasonality and the availability of this produce. I hope I don't need to change because that's going to stress me out. Let's see how we go. Believe I actually found it. I knew coming to Toowong was the right idea. They have so many, they have 2 different Asian grocery stores. This continues to be the worst view, but it's the only way that I can sit my phone so that you can see my face, but also you get full view of the steering wheel as well. So I've gotten most of the things that I needed to get, which is good. And now I just need to go to the fish market to get the seafood, and also just the grocery store, Coles, to get some of the other bits and pieces. But I think what I'll do is go to the fish market first, then duck into Coles really quickly. I bought a bag with an ice brick, so it should be able to stay cold for like the 15 minutes that I'm in Coles, and then we can go home and I can start prepping. Okay, last stop. I'm at the supermarket. I've got like 10-ish items to buy, and we're gonna get it done, and then I need to go home and eat lunch because I am starving. You know, the thing that I hate most about grocery shopping is coming home and putting everything away. I get as far as taking everything out of the bags and putting it on the counter, and then I just get sick of it. So the counter is a freaking mess. Anyway, I had to duck out again. I got home, unloaded everything, started making this pandan ice cream, and then realized that because we had bought the ice cream over the weekend, we had pretty much eaten half the container, and I didn't think there was enough. So I went out and bought a second tub of ice cream. So I'm making a Cheats pandan ice cream. I'm mixing vanilla ice cream in my stand mixer with some pandan flavoring, and it is the green coloring. Like you can buy a clear one, but I'm using the one that's green. So the ice cream will be pandan flavor, bright green, beautiful. It'll look great. So let's make that. A little bit at a time. Taste it, monitor the color, see how it goes. The color is beautiful. Look at that. Flavor is maybe I've tasted it too many times. I've had a bit of an outfit change because I just felt too restrictive still wearing jeans, and also I didn't want to get any food on those jeans or the jumper I was wearing. So I'm in more casual gear. I'm about to make, or I'm currently making, the sesame brittle for the dessert. So I truly have almost every kitchen appliance under the sun. Well, at least for what my kitchen can hold. But the one thing that I don't have is a food processor. And I have survived this long without owning one. And I always come across recipes that require a food processor, and I either do it by hand or I do it in my Vitamix, which so far has been fine. But I don't know, in the past like maybe 6 weeks, more and more things that I want to cook require a food processor, and I'm thinking I just need to bite the bullet and buy one. I don't know. It's definitely not a necessity, but then also, if I have an ice cream maker, which, you know, I do, I have an ice cream maker, I have a pie maker. If I have these things, I probably should have a food processor as well, right? Anyway, I'm making the prawn mousse for the prawn toast. And so I've got prawn meat in here, and I need to put in a couple of other things and some egg white, and then I'm gonna pulse it to kind of make a chunky mousse, put it into the fridge to chill for a couple of hours, and I'm gonna make this fresh. My sister is coming over at about 7 p.m. tonight, so I think I probably won't assemble them and start frying them until like 6:30 so that they're nice and hot when they get here. Okay, I've made the mousse in my Vitamix and I've changed my mind. I don't think I need a food processor. Like, why would I need to buy another appliance when, one, I have no space, and also look how good this mousse looks. It's perfect consistency, not too smooth, not too chunky. I just need to continue to put all of my faith in my beautiful Vitamix, which I love because she always does an amazing job.